Hi, this is George Woodbury from College of the Sequoias in Visalia, California, and this video series is a review for my Math 21 Intro to Statistics class for their midterm. We are using the Sullivan-Woodbury Interactive Statistics textbook, and we are covering chapters 1 through 7 on this midterm review. In this video, we'll go over how to determine if a set of data comes from a population that's normally distributed. Use a QQ plot or normal probability plot to determine whether the following data come from a population that is normally distributed. These are the times in seconds for greyhounds to run a 5/16 mile race. When we make the QQ plot in StatCrunch, we're looking to determine if the graph is roughly linear and is the correlation statistic greater than the critical value that comes from the table for n equals 6. So when n equals 6, we see that the critical value is 0.888. If the correlation statistic is greater than 0.888, we can conclude that the data come from a population that's normally distributed. Otherwise, we cannot. Let's go to StatCrunch. I've entered the data in the first column, labeled times. To make the QQ plot, that's under Graph, QQ plot, select the column containing the times, and add the correlation statistic. Press Compute. Notice that it's roughly linear with a correlation statistic of 0.974. The critical value for n was 0.888. Since the correlation statistic is greater than the critical value, we can conclude that the data come from a population that's normally distributed. I hope you find this video helpful. If you need to reach out to me, you can reach me through the contact page on my website, which is georgewoodbury.com. You can also get a copy of the midterm review off of my home page. Click on the link that says Materials for my statistics students. You can also reach out to me on Twitter @GeorgeWoodbury.